Yes, it works. And welcome back. It's 21 degrees Celsius. We're in the second week of March. I know it's ridiculous, and I believe that you've got freezing cold weather and snow back in the UK and in Ireland. But it's my third day here and it's daytime. Yes, one of those rare occasions you get me out this early. I'm going to explore Aviles and show you around its quaintness during the day. So I've just come off the side street I was on down this passageway, and it looks very interesting in front of me. It's Plaza Hermanos Obas, and looking around it seems to be an array of markets, cafes and shops. But just looking at the architecture around you, this is very interesting indeed. So we'll just walk around it. I don't know if you can read that, but there's two things wrong with that sign. It's not 5:20 and it's not 28 degrees Celsius, but the temperature has actually risen to 23 Celsius and I really can feel it now. I'm glad I brought a pair of shorts with me because I didn't think I'd need them, but just in case. But I'm not wearing them, I should have worn them. But anyway, here we are at Plaza de Espana, which you saw the other night in total darkness, and that's the town or city hall, whatever you want to call it. And you can see in a lot more greater detail what this square or plaza has to offer by way of cafes and people watching and the like, and a few pigeons to boot too.
Doing the pigeon, I love it.
Wouldn't be complete without pigeons. Now that is a mighty impressive building in front of me. I'll try and get some more details on it. And just that looks like an amusing sight. There's faces carved into that wall with holes in their mouths. So this looks like where water came from. If you want to drink a water, or maybe for horses, or your theory is as good as mine, but I will have to look it up and you can see more of it as I step back. So according to this sign, this is San Nicolas de Bari Church, which was originally founded in the 13th century in a Gothic style. And you can read more of it there, do the usual hit the pause button and read it in your own time. And as usual, it's all locked They won't let me in. Everywhere's locked when I want to visit for some reason. But there's hope. I can sneak a peek through the railings of this locked gate. So I'll just push the camera through there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is as much as I can show you with the doors shut. And to the right of that main gate, the entrance to the church, seems to be a courtyard and lots of kids playing there. So that could be a reason why it's shut today. Could be for a school trip. Yes, the pavement below, many of the streets right in the old town area of Aviles are in this pattern, which I love. I've not seen this anywhere before. And a plastic butler here at your service when you enter this establishment. It's not Marseille, but I am loving the street art here. It's few and far between, but it's enjoyable nonetheless. And this is the main central park of Aviles, Parque Ferrera, and it's about 81,000 square meters, one of the biggest ones in Asturias, and it belonged to the Marquis of Ferrera, but it became a municipal park and was officially opened by the King and Queen of Spain in 1976. And is it me, but do the bandstands over here seem to have some Islamic style dome to them at the top, but pretty nonetheless. We're at the duck pond now, and these geese seem to be pruning themselves, basking in this late winter sunlight. And they're not moving, they're not scared of me for a change. Normally animals run a mile when they see me. Oh, that one agreed with me then. And I'm very close to them, and they're not scared of me. They must be tame from all the people feeding them. They built a lovely bird shelter, so that's why they're so happy here. Who wouldn't be with a house like that? And there they go. Here's the kebab shop I was at the other night. And back to Plaza de Espana. Just near the apartment where I'm staying, you have something similar to what we came across in Cudiero, which is a spot where laundry was done back in the day. And you saw the sign which said 1925 as I entered this area here. It's interesting nonetheless anyway. It's a bit of historic interest preserved by the locals for posterity. It's late afternoon here in Alvares, and I'm now at Salinas beach, which is the main beach as you head slightly west of the city. And the temperature's dropped a little bit, it's about 21 Celsius. Still warm, a fresh breeze, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The tide is high at the moment and it looks perfect for surfing, and you wouldn't believe it because I lost these shades in my car earlier. I couldn't find them for the life of me. Then they were right there in the side compartment. Silly me. You know, it's one of those things that if it's familiar to you, you don't see it because it's right in front of you. So you just got to keep your eyes peeled. Anyway, let me show you around this marvelous location. So we'll wander up and down it because we've got 2 hours till sunset. There's some information there for you Spanish speakers, so you know what to do. Pause it and then read it in your own time. I guess it's something about the history of this beach. I don't think I've ever seen waves like this in my lifetime, not even in Tremor. And if you're a surfer, I think it's perfect for you. And you can see in a lot more greater detail of what, and you can see in a lot more greater deal, but there's hope. I can